Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I have a really exciting unboxing. It's something that I've actually needed because you guys should see the shoes that I've been running in. They're from Deets and they're not that great. I wasn't really expecting much for the price I paid for those running shoes, but I do a lot of running to the point where it's just not okay and I need good quality shoes. I go through my normal Nike shoes for running in sometimes less than a year, depending on how much I run and how many kilometers I run usually. So for the most part, I found out that shoes usually only last like 500 kilometers. So it's between like a year and a bit for me personally. That's how long my running shoes last. So I really just needed an upgrade to the ones that I have. And I am gonna be wearing one of these today when I go for my run. So this is from Fitville. I got sent 2 pairs of shoes and I'm so excited to review them for you guys. So if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now I picked out 2 very different pairs. So one of these is a pair of running shoes and the other one is a pair of like more walking shoes. So they do have a bunch of styles on their website, very like athletic types of shoes and that sort of thing. So if you are wanting to treat your feet, because you should, you know, I really need to, you know, replace the running shoes that I have right now. Like they're not great as far as like knee support, and I require a lot, especially as a runner. I do require a lot for my footwear. So I'm very excited to try out this brand and see how, you know, this wears, see how long it lasts and all of that stuff. So the first pair is called the Fitville Rebound Core. I did get everything in my true size, which is a 6.5. So that's another thing I will test is like how sizing and stuff goes, because you know I've definitely bought Nike shoes in the past where I won't even try them on. Like I'll just order them from Sport Check or something like that, order them in my true size and they're too tight, or I'll order them in my true size and they'll be too loose. Like it just always depends. Even when you're ordering brand name shoes and stuff like that, it does sometimes vary on the sizing. So I'm so excited for these. These are so cute. I will have everything linked in the description box below, and if I do have a discount code or anything like that, I'll leave them down below. Thank you so much, Fitville, for sending me these pieces. I am very excited. So the first pair look like this. I love the colors on here. They are so pretty. This is something that definitely stood out to me when I went on their website, was the colors of these. I was gonna go for neutral. They do have more neutral options like that. I think when it comes to running shoes that, you know, color and stuff, you can go for more funner colors. You know, you're just using them to run. Normally 9 times out of 10, I'm the only one who sees myself running, obviously, because, or like, you know, you'll pass people along the trail and stuff like that, but for the most part, like none of your friends are going to be taking photos of you in your running shoes or anything like that. You can definitely go for more, you know, cuter colors, I feel, and you don't always have to stick to neutrals. That's my personal opinion, but yeah, I really like these. So these are what they look like. They are purple, this chartreuse, not even chartreuse green. I don't know what kind of green this is. It's like a fluorescent highlighter lime green color. It's so pretty. I love these. So that's one of them. It does have the care instructions on here. You can wash them with cold water and mild detergent. It just says do not put in the washing machine. I know people that like put their shoes in the washing machine, and that kind of is a little cringe for me because running shoes get dirty and disgusting, and I'm not about to put these in my washing machine. So these are what they look like. So pretty. I love the color scheme on these. And on the sides. So I cannot wait to go running with these. I'm just feeling them right now to see about weight. They feel average. My Nikes are definitely lighter than these. So that's one of my concerns, is basically like how much a shoe weighs, because I feel like when you're doing a lot of running, you need it to not weigh a lot. You need it to be somewhat lightweight. These are okay. They're not like heavy, but they're also not like super lightweight either. So I'm just curious on how these are going to perform and everything like that. So these are what the bottoms look like. And I feel like for the most part, since I am so concerned about getting like lightweight shoes all the time, I tend to go for shoes that don't look like this. Think about something like Nike Free Runs or the Air Maxes and stuff like that. You know, the ones that are completely, what is it called? Like that fly knit material, almost like this type of material, that airy, like breathable material. So I tend to go for shoes that are completely that material all the way around. So I am interested in how these are going to work for me. They look like they're really supportive and that they can really like support my knees and everything like that. So I am very excited to start running with these. Also, they have a variety of different shoes on their website to where you can shop by like foot condition. So if you have flat feet, you can shop for shoes that are geared towards people with flat feet. And there's like a bunion section, and that is where my next pair is from. And so the second pair is called the Fitville Brisk Walk, and I got them in light cocky, and I got them in the same size, 6.5. Hopefully you guys can see that. And so these are from their bunion section. I do have bunions on both my feet. I do have flat feet with bunions, okay? So my feet will ache. Literally, they ache sometimes because I go for crazy hikes. Sometimes I'm hiking like 30K in a day and my feet are like, what are you doing to me? And I'm just like, I don't even care. Bunion shoes have definitely not been something that I thought I would ever purchase ever. I kind of just suffer and deal with foot pain constantly, which is not a great thing to be living in constant foot pain all the time. I do probably need insoles at some point in my life, but I don't know. I'm not gonna say like I don't care about my feet, but like I just never saw myself specifically buying a pair of bunion shoes because normally they cost a lot more money. Anything that caters to wide feet, anything that caters to flat feet, anything that caters toward any type of foot condition, hammer toe, bunions, whatever the case may be, it's hard to find shoes that are affordable, and Fitville has them. So I never thought I would find an affordable pair of bunion shoes, but yes, my right side just constantly aches, and I'm hoping that these, like wearing these for walking and stuff like that, not for running, but for walking, will be good for me. I'm not gonna obviously take these hiking or anything like that because there's no grips on the bottom. There's no like ankle support that I need for hiking my crazy hikes, but definitely for walking my dog. Some days we just go for walks. Some days I'm just like, girl, I cannot run today. I can't. I don't know if that's because of my shoes though, but I definitely run a lot less this year than I have in previous years. Some days I just wanted to take it slow and just go for walks. So I think that these are great for that. Also going to the mall in these. Like these honestly don't look like bunion shoes. Like they look really nice and stylish. Like I think they're cute. They don't have laces on the front or anything. So they're just kind of like slip-on shoes. You can wear these to the mall. You can wear these to the grocery store. You can use them to do errands. If you're doing a lot of walking and that sort of thing, these are really light. Actually, like these are really nice and light, which is nice. So these are what they look like. The material on here is stretchy. What makes them bunion shoes, I feel like, is because of the stretchy mesh material. Also, like bunions are obviously on this part of your foot, right? They are a little bit wider. If you can see from the bottom and stuff like that, they are a little bit wider. So I'm expecting the best. I have high hopes and high expectations for these shoes. So I'm really, really hoping that they function well and that I end up really liking them because, you know, it's definitely some days I just want comfort, like I want a comfortable pair of shoes, and I think that these are really cute. I did get them in the khaki color. I did not get them in like one of their fun colors. They do have fun colors with this as well, but I think that for walking shoes and something that I can just run errands with, I wanted something neutral. So that's what these look like. They are the Fitville Brisk Walk shoes, and I love them and I cannot wait to start wearing these. So that is all for my unboxing slash shoe haul. I do hope you guys enjoy this one. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and definitely check out Fitville. I'll leave their description. And definitely make sure you check out Fitville. I will leave their info in the description box below as well. And thank you so much, Fitville, for sending me these 2 pairs of shoes. I'm very excited to start wearing them. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you deeper than